Good morning, students. In today's session, we are going to discuss essays on visits. Before beginning with the video, I will first discuss objectives. So by the end of this video, you will be able to write the essay by using the given hints. It will enhance your vocabulary. You will be able to organize your thoughts. It will also help you to understand the structure of paragraphs and sentences. It will also improve your reading and writing skills. So by the end, you will be able to express yourself and your views on the topic of essays, that is visits. Now, names of essays. I hope you have already noted it down from your SNAP homework. So names of essays include A Visit to Golden Temple, A Visit to Jallianwala Bagh, A Visit to Taj Mahal, and A Visit to Hill Station. Now, let us discuss points of essays. These are the points we should write on when we are writing an essay on visits. So, points of essays include, first point is quotation. One should always give a good quotation before writing an essay. Second point is always introduction, where you will give a brief introduction of your visit. Now, because we are writing an essay on visit, so we should write about when did we go, where did we go, and who all accompanied us. So, our third point will be when, where, and with whom. Now, when you start your visit, first of all, you will describe the scene outside your home. So, your next point will be scene on the way or outside scene. Now, after reaching a particular place or destination, you will describe what did you see there or other things related to visit. So, next point will be scene at the place. After this, you have to write about the personal experience of visits, that is, what all did you do, how did you enjoy it there, what was the atmosphere. You can also mention the incident that took place during your visit. So, this point will be personal experience or what did you like the most. In the next point, you will tell how visits are important for you. So, the next point is importance. And the last point will be conclusion, where you will conclude your essay by telling that did you enjoy your visit or not, how did it help you, how did it enhance your knowledge, and how did it give you first-hand information. I hope you have understood the points. Now, next one is outlines of the essays, means how you have to write your essay. First paragraph, you will write about what are visits, why are the visits done, which are the various places can we go for a visit, and what kind of a day was it. Second paragraph, you should write in detail and you should write about where did you go, who went with you, what did you see there, what did you do, and how did you feel. Third paragraph, you will write about how did you feel when you were going home, what was your experience, what has the experience taught you. Now, we will discuss the essay, that is A Visit to Golden Temple. We will discuss essay point-wise. So, your first point is quotation. Now, here you can add different quotations according to your choice. Some of them are given here. First quotation is, visits enhance our knowledge. Second, visits provide us first-hand information. Third, the more I learn, the more I realize how much I don't know. Fourth, a symbol of honor and respect. And a temple with 4 doors of religion. Now moving on to next point, that is introduction. Here you will give a brief introduction about your essay, and as you can see, hints are given, so you can use these hints for making different sentences. Our first hint is secular country. India is a secular country where everybody is free to profess his or her religion. Materialistic world. We live in a materialistic world where man runs after materialistic things, dawn to dusk. He works from dawn to dusk to survive in this complicated world. Tired and restless. So man gets tired and restless. And last hint is act as a lubricant. At that time, visits not only act as a lubricant but also enhance his knowledge. Now moving on to our next point, that is when, where and with whom. In this point, you will mention when did you visit, where did you visit and with whom did you visit. As you can see, hints are given, so you can use these hints for making different sentences. Our first hint is visited Golden Temple. Last Sunday, I visited the Golden Temple with my family. The center of the city. It is in the center of the city. Went by car. We went there by car and it took us 30 minutes to reach there. The holiest abode. My mother told me that it is the holiest abode of Sikhs. Our last hint is known as Sri Harmandir Sahib. All over the world, the Golden Temple at Amritsar is popularly known as Sri Harmandir Sahib. Now moving on to our next point, that is scene on the way or outside scene. In this point, you will describe the scene outside your home. As you can see, hints are given here, so you can use these hints for making different sentences. Our first hint is stepped outside. As we stepped outside the car, we felt positive vibes. Devotees, barefooted, blessings and Guru Granth Sahib Ji. As we reached there, we saw many devotees walking barefooted to seek the blessings of Guru Granth Sahib Ji. Our last hint is removed shoes. Soon we removed our shoes and entered in. Now moving on to our next point, that is scene at the place and personal experience, or what did you like the most. In this point, you will describe the scene of the particular place or the destination where you visited and your experience, that how did you enjoy there, what did you do, etc. As you can see, hints are given here, so you can use these hints for making different sentences. Our first hint is climbed downstairs. First of all, we climbed downstairs, center of a big sarovar. The splendid monument stood in the center of a big sarovar, as clear as crystal. The water was as clear as crystal. Shadow, ripples of the sarovar. The shadow of the golden dome was dancing in the ripples of the sarovar. Started parikrama. Then we started our parikrama. Our next hint is the marble passage. The marble passage led us to the main temple, decorated with the floral designs. The walls were made of marble and were decorated with floral designs. Moving forward, our next hints are parikrama, 4 gates and welcome all the religions. During the walk around the parikrama, we saw the 4 gates which welcome all religions. Dukh Bhanjani Beri. We also saw Dukh Bhanjani Beri. Takes dip and miseries washed away. My mother told me that whosoever takes dip in it, all his miseries are washed away. Ragis. We saw that Ragis were singing hymns. Our next hint is Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji. We bowed our head to seek the blessings of Guru Granth Sahib Ji. Moving forward to our next point, that is importance. As you can see, hints are given here, so you can use these hints for making different sentences. Our first hints are open and caste and creed. This temple is open to people of all caste and creed, tourists and various countries. The Golden Temple is visited by tourists from various countries of the world. Langar and all are one. The food, that is the langar which is served here to everyone, shows that all are one. Now moving on to our last point, that is conclusion. Here you will conclude your essay by writing that did you enjoy your visit or not, how did it help you, How did it give you first-hand information? As you can see, hints are given here, so you can use these hints for making different sentences. Our first hint is act as a lubricant. At the end, we can say that visits play a significant role in our life. The visits act as a lubricant. Enhance knowledge and window in the past. They not only enhance our knowledge but make us aware about the various historical buildings which are like a window in the past. Our last hint is must visit. We must visit these kinds of places. I hope you all have understood this essay. Now plan other essays by using the hints given in your SNAP homework. Thank you.